I began by marinating the pork chops in lemon juice, white wine vinegar, olive oil, mint, and some other spices. Then I baked them at 425 for about 15 minutes or so. While the pork chops cooked, I prepared my vegetables for my salad, and I used my nifty Guy de Marle chopper, which I love so much. And I could have used it for everything, but I kind of like the little circles of my green onions, so I chopped the green onions by hand. And I chopped the basil by hand just to show you guys how to kind of do it. Take the leaves off and dice it pretty small. And once that's done, I sliced my tomatoes, and I used this little trick that I learned when I was doing a cooking class. One of the attendants of the class showed me how to do this, so I thought it was pretty cool. But be careful when you're doing it, of course. For the dressing recipe, I took 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 teaspoons of Meyer Lemon olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Zesty Mediterranean herb blend. It also called for lemon zest, which I didn't have, so I didn't use that. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup whole wheat couscous and 1 3/4 cup vegetable broth. And you're going to microwave that with the lid on for about 2 minutes and then off for 3 more minutes. Then you're going to let it stand for 5 minutes and add the rest of your remaining ingredients that you prepared. Red pepper, green pepper, basil, green onions, and tomatoes. Then you'll stir in your dressing. And it makes quite a salad. I will link the recipe down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you later.